I'll take it for a no right now. Okay, chalo. So we are having your activity. We are going to do this is a very powerful activity. Yeah? What I want you to do is,
स्टैंड तरीके जो है
yeah, okay, guys, I would really request if you are there and mute yourselves if something is happening, or if you want to speak you're free to speak, but just mute yourself or else. Okay, so on this, my question to you is very simple. You have an intention, you want to do something, but something stops you. I don't know what that is. You know it. What's stopping you? It could be money, it could be laziness, it could be fear of success, it could be, my XYZ person will say no if I ask them. I don't know what it is. I want you to write it down completely. What I don't want you to do is write down any names which are very spiritually linked with you. I just won't want you to do that, because ultimately we are destroying papers. Okay, we are going to destroy this. So I don't want you to write anything very spiritual on it. All I want you to do is write something on this. Okay, go ahead and write. Start writing. What is it that's stopping me today to achieve my goal? I'm also going to do this activity with you. And one more thing will happen. When you are writing, you will end up suddenly getting a thought which you'll feel is not related to this matter. But if it is, affecting you, if it is something which is there on your mind, write that down as well. You have to write it down. Okay? Because that would be something, it has a reason to appear. So write it down. If an entire question appears, what if this, an entire question appears. Am I enough? Am I good enough to do this exercise? Should I take up this responsibility? Will I really be able to do it? Full question appears. Write that down as well.
And what if I do not question at all?
That's okay. That's okay.
Because I actually do not question myself that what if this, what if that.
What have you
I
written?
analyze the situation and I always work upon that in a very practical way or something like which works out well, be it small or large or extra large, whatever it may be. But I always try to work upon it and make it favorable.
Okay, that's a very good quality to have. But before that, when that one little thing appears, what appears? If the doubt appears, what appears? If you have to solve something, something has appeared, right? What is that appears?
So it is just the list of things that I need to work upon that appears.
Write down whatever it is. Write
Okay.
down whatever it is. This is a very powerful exercise. Huh? Just do it. And do it
Completed, ma'am.
in an easy way. Fantastic. Again, I'm asking you, what is it that's stopping me from my goals at this particular point? I don't know what your goal is. It could be one goal, two goals, three goals. Whatever it is, what is it that's coming in your mind at this point? I want it on the paper. Okay. If you are done, please allow me to know that you are done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. Fantastic. Thank you so much. So much, so much, so much. Okay. Guys, now listen to me. If you can switch on your cameras for some time, just switch it on. You can switch on your cameras for some time, just switch it on. Okay. Whatever you have written, I need you to do this exercise with me, guys. Okay. Do this exercise with me. Okay. Thank you so much for that. Now, take the paper, take this sheet of paper, and then what I want you to do, listen carefully. Okay. Everybody, listen. Please listen carefully. I want you to tear it. And while tearing it, I want you to think that all of the things which were in my mind and was stopping me from doing this work, I am the one who is letting them go. I am the one that's not allowing them to stay. I am the one who is in control. I am the one who is going to take the call of how it's going to affect me. And I'm not allowing these issues to stand in my way. As in how you're doing, make it as small as possible. Okay, as small as possible. And once you are done, what I would love for you to do is, I would love for you to go into your kitchen. You are all of over 18. Okay, so I think just be careful, burn this up. Okay, you will burn it up, uska ashes lena, फेंक देना. But be careful whenever you are doing it. All right, do this, because this is something which you have done, and this tells your mind very specifically that these are the things which I am destroying. They don't belong in me. I do not need it in my life. This is a very powerful gesture which you're making to the mind. Okay, there are a lot of things which we can do, because our subconscious has different ways and approaches wherein you can reach it. So first is the bursting of the fear. Whatever your intention, I don't know what your intention is and why it's there, but it's for sure ke aya hai. And if it's there, then obviously it's important for you. And if it's important for you, let's move on. I know that a lot of people over here have different kind of issues. One issue nahi hota hai. There are different kind of issues, है ना? कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो आप बता भी नहीं पाओगे. There will be some, it just goes with you. It's as simple as that. Okay? Right. Have you all done this exercise? Yes? Okay. In one word, can you let me know how you are feeling right now? Thank you for that.
Triumphant.
You're feeling good. You're feeling triumphant. Okay.
Relaxing.
Relaxing.